Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 7 of programming in JavaScript comments. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application which is Sublime Text. We can have other text editors, so we can now go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for Sublime Text, open that up, and then we should have the preloaded code in from the previous tutorials. If not, go to File, Open, search for index.html, and then come back to this tutorial. And now we can increase the size of the Sublime Text edit file. And now we are ready to start using comments to cancel out code, to explain code, and make it more readable. JavaScript comments can also be used to prevent execution when testing alternative code. So we can go within script and now write a comment, a single line comment that starts with /, and now we can say declare x, give x the value of 6. We can also use multi-line comments to remove code we no longer require. So if we bring back the code on the next lines, to cancel that code out, /*, and then */. So that code itself is now no longer visible, is not executable. Command S to say we can go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, Documents, My YouTube Channel, Tutorials, JavaScript, go to index.html, right click, open with Safari, decrease the size of the web browser, minimize Finder for the moment, likewise with Sublime Text. And now we can see both windows at the same time and work on them simultaneously. And now we have a website that outputs the value 6. We have some JavaScript within Sublime Text. We have a formula. Within the script tag, we have declared x, given x the value of 6, and then outputted user document.getElement by id demo.innerHTML equals x. And now have the value 6 on screen. We can quit Safari, quit Sublime Text. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.